Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your viewing history on Netflix. So if you want to delete Netflix watch history on your TV, unfortunately, you need to know that on TV you cannot do it directly. So you must use a web browser on your phone, tablet, or PC to access the features. So to start here, once you open the Netflix on browser, you can just go to the top right corner and find the account options, or you can also just click on the manage profiles in here and choose the profile that you want to delete its watch history. Say this one. You can just hold down again until you find the viewing activity. Tap on that and choose which one that you want to delete. If you want to only delete one of them, just click on these icons right here. But if you want to delete all, or you want to reset all your watch history, you can just click on hide all, click on yes, and after that, within 24 hours, the titles will no longer be used to make recommendations to you, so your recommendation will be all reset. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next video.